Hey guys, welcome back my channel, The Learning Destinations. I'm your host Avinash, and in this sessions, I'm going to reveal one of my dream project, where I'm making one of the smart device, and which I named it as a IDA. IDA is helping all the visually challenged persons to navigating to the destinations along with the real-time object detections. When I say the real-time object detections, that means first this system is helping the visually challenged person to identify the object onto the road like traffic light, car, bicycle or any other object. Secondly, I am going to configure one sensor here. So if person is about to hit to that object within 10 to 12 meters of distance, then the buzzer will alert the persons that you are going to hit to the particular object, so he or she can be aware in advance. So how this journey started, I would like to briefly explain you. So one day I saw one of the visually challenged persons crossing the road with the help of their family members, and there I was thinking like that how I should contribute or how I should help to this community. And then I generated this concept, and after assembling all these components together, I am making this concept into reality, and there this device, the IDA board. Okay guys, so now it's time to introduce my device, and I named this device IDA, which is helping visually challenged person in navigations, vision plus real-time object detections. So it was only a concept, but then I combined all the component together and making this device from concept into reality. This is gonna be a wearable device which is helping the visually challenged persons to move freely to the destinations without any obstacle, without any support. And now I'm going to reveal the functionality of each and every component. Alright guys, so now let's talk about the layout of this device. And generally this is gonna be a wearable device, and there will be one box. Inside this box there will be a three compartment. In first compartment there will be a high power battery, and generally I'm going to place here one high power bank. Okay, now in the second compartment I'm going to place the Raspberry Pi board, and in third compartment there will be a different component like camera, 4G LTE for internet connectivity, GPS device, and then a speaker to convert text into a speech. Alright guys, so now I'm going to explain the functionality of each and every component. So first of all, there will be a high power battery, and having said that, I'm going to place one here, the high power MH power bank here. It is a chargeable, so you can charge it. My target is to give this device support at least 6 to 7 hours power backup. And then there will be a Raspberry Pi board which is having the USB and C port. Okay, I'm going to explain what is the use of this USB and C port. And then there is a different component like camera, 4G LTE dongle, GPS device, and this speaker to convert text into a speech. Okay, now let's understand one by one. So this camera, what is the use of this camera? So having said that, I'm going to install a one pre-trained ML model yellow V5, which is an object detections model on this Raspberry Pi 5. Okay, so if this visually challenged persons walking on the roads can easily detect the objects like car, bicycle, motorcycles or traffic light. Okay, so he can avoid to hit that particular object. Okay, so that is the use of camera. So using this yellow V5 model, there will be a live feed here. Okay, and through the camera these machines can easily identify the object and can alert to the persons through this speaker, right? Now here, what is the use of 4G LTE? So basically I have installed here the Google Maps. Now Google Maps will work with the internet, right? Then I connected the 4G LTE dongle. You can go with the offline mode as well. If you don't want to use the Google Maps, then we don't need this internet connectivity, and we need to install here the offline maps database. Okay, so this is the use of 4G LTE. Now coming on to the point about the GPS. Now this GPS is continuously, I place this GPS, I configure this GPS into the loop position, means each and every time it can keep telling about the real time positions, real time positions of the persons. Okay, so the persons can easily navigate to the destinations. Okay, so that's why I put this GPS into the loop positions. Now this speaker is generally used to convert the text into the speech. Perfect. Now let's understand this entire process into one go. So basically this device is helping the visually challenged persons when he or she wear it and walks on the road, then this device first of all navigate to the destinations by examining their real-time positions through the GPS, and there is a map, so it will guide to the destinations. This device will guide to the destinations. Then this device is loaded with the ML model, which is helping these persons to identify the object like car, motorcycle, bike, traffic lights, or many other objects. Okay, I'm planning to put here one sensor. So if this person is about to hit to any object, then before 5 to 10 meters, there will be a buzzer, there will be some alarm will trigger. Okay, this is my next phase work, which I will let you know later on. Okay, so and then there is a speaker which is helping to convert all these communications into the speech, text to speech. So this is how it works. This is a device loaded with the functionality, can guide the visually challenged persons to the destinations along with the real-time object detections, and if person is about to hit to any object, it will alert the persons before 10 to 15 meters is about to hit. Okay guys, so in the next phase, I'm planning to develop one web-based app which will capture the live feed of this device, and this web-based app will be accessible by the family members of the visually challenged persons. So the family members can get to know the real-time positions of the visually impaired persons without any worry. Alright guys, if you like my concept and POC, give thumbs up, and if you want to collaborate with me on this project, just DM me. Thank you.